Mosh, can I make money without showing face? I get this question every single day, and the answer is always the same. First of all, isn't this weird that you came and asked this question to a person, which is me, who is showing his face on the camera every single day in every video? Hey, don't worry. I have a good news and I have a bad news. Bad news first. Here is how social media works. When you scroll social media and you watch certain video, social media will show you more of that kind of video. For example, I watch business videos, I watch animal videos, especially funny cat videos. I watch DIY videos as well. So I get more of these videos. Don't worry, I don't watch much of the female videos, but they just show up because of business. But the cat videos are the best of the bests. Look at how funny this is. And it gets funnier. And this guy is always in my feed because he's a coach of the coaches and he's an excellent salesman. I love his sales advices. However, my point is your newsfeed will keep showing the type of videos that you watch. You see this proof? Again, another funny cat video. Now, my friend, if you like to watch face videos because you trust videos with a face, then algorithms will show you more and more face videos. And then your mind becomes wired to only believe that face videos work. No other videos work. This is where the problem is. It's in your mind because you believe in something that face videos work. Everybody is doing face videos, but you want to do something else, which is faceless. And they are not aligning anymore. Due to this misalignment, you are confused. You come back and keep asking, Mosh, how can I make money without showing face? A little bit about our members who already made money. These members didn't bother. They simply started taking action with whatever they have. Face, faceless, doesn't matter. Ilham is special. She realized she doesn't have time to make videos at all. So the only thing she does is download my videos and upload to her channel. I can go on and on. Everybody has their own story, but they asked less question, less doubt, and more action. And here's an action tip. If you are a member of our 99% Done For You program, then go to the members only group, click the featured section, scroll down a little bit, and find out these posts. Training videos, books, questionnaires. We will keep updating this list. Here, you'll find this little Google spreadsheet. This is a list of faceless pages and channels, and we keep adding more and more. As far as I remember, we have like 40 top performing pages. Whenever we find a new one, we keep adding it. All you need to do is follow any of those, model any of their styles, and keep winning. Okay, we are done with the bad news. Now the good news. The world is not in the hands of face channels. In fact, their businesses are highly limited, and even they know that. That's why each of the people you see faces, they have multiple, tens or if not hundreds of faceless pages because they understand one thing. In order to make money, you need traffic. Look at this. 8 million hubs or 8 million visitors made us 2.6 million affiliate commissions. They understand one thing. Traffic equals money. Look at all these affiliates send traffic to our offers and they made affiliate commissions. Super simple. So whatever you are watching on social media, that's not the only reality. Even if you are seeing my face on social media and you are confused, there is a misalignment of what you believe in and what you want to do, no worries. The truth is traffic makes money. So the only thing you need is traffic. We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. Example, this channel. This YouTube channel has 458,000 subscribers. And these videos are basically about AI news and AI update. Well, let's have a look at one of the latest videos.
Here, if the prompt is a man doing stand-up comedy in a small venue and tells a joke, include the joke in the dialogue. Here
there are videos, news, what's happening in the AI world, and there is a voiceover. The voiceover can be human voiceover or can be AI voiceover, but that is it. That is all. All their videos are of same style. Now, are they making money? According to Social Blade, they are making somewhere between $696 to way up to $11,000 from the views generated from these videos only on YouTube. Now, what about traffic? Because I am all about traffic. You see, they have a website right here, and this is a website. They're also collecting emails of interesting people. This is in fact nothing but a text summary, a video summary, key features, and a link to some existing AI platform. It can also be affiliate link. I have no idea. From this link, I don't see it is affiliate link. Or it might be affiliate link as well. Now, are they getting traffic? Yes. Look at this. They have 242,000 monthly visitors. According to our stats, each visitor can be $1, can be $7, can be $3, can be $2. How much they're making, I have no idea. But traffic equals money. So if they have 242,000 monthly visitors, it's not impossible to make $120,000 per month from this traffic. Again, most of the traffic is coming from Indonesia, so they're not really online buyers. India, 5.8%. They're also absolutely not international online buyers, but they have 4% US traffic, 2% UK traffic. They are buyers. Again, they have organic traffic and they have 14% social traffic. If we go down below, you'll see 97% of that social traffic are coming from YouTube, which means this Faceless channel and all these Faceless videos are generating massive traffic and making money. Now guys, here is a screenshot of a conversation with a person on Instagram, and you can see we started the conversation on June 23 and we have been chatting for 2 years. After 2 years, May 2025, he asks me, what will I get in this? Which means, what will I get from your program? I was really surprised. So I said, brother, what did you try since June 2023? Exactly 24 months. You know what he replied? Nothing, just thinking. And he's also stuck in life. Isn't this the case for everyone? Everybody is stuck in life, but our time is limited. If you continue to think and don't do anything, you will not get any results. These affiliates also have problems. Do they think? Yes, they do. But they do one more thing. They take action. Whatever they can, they try. They start. So if you believe that showing face is important because you're always watching face videos and algorithm is showing you more and more face videos, but you want to do faceless, then there is a problem. You have to take one side. Yeah, I mean, one side. They should be aligned. From today, start watching faceless videos on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and start picking one of the top performing pages or channels that you can follow easily and start following them, start modeling them. If it is hard, do not worry, because all you have to do is to use 1 hour per day. If you try it for 30 days, you will spend 30 hours. If you try it another 30 days, then you total spend 60 hours learning it, practicing it, perfecting it. After 60 hours, you become an expert of that topic. Whether it is making faceless videos or even face videos, choice is yours. Both perfectly work. Anyways, guys, if you want to learn about our 99% Done For You program, scan this little QR code or click the link in the description. Watch the free training and understand what it is, whether it is useful to you or not. And if it is, then at the end of the training, you will also learn about our program. Take action, join the program, and start getting results. I mean, serious high-ticket affiliate commissions like these beginner, busy 9-to-5 members. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.